There's our gap. It's about 1/4 of an inch there. Okay guys, the self-leveler is dry and set. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick 5-minute segment, we will be talking about this product here called Edgeband. Edgeband here will replace this, your spray foam for pouring your self-leveler. They have 3 different options. You've got a rectangle, obviously, for your floor vents, a circle for your toilet flanges, and of course, strips. 8 46-inch strips, calculating to about 31 linear feet. And as you can see, these packages are empty because we used them on a recent bathroom remodel, and I will show you that video clip in just a moment. This system simply helps to speed up the time and process when pouring your self-leveler, so that you can obtain a flat and level substrate to install tile on. Now, our biggest takeaway with this product is the ease of installation and not having to wait for our spray foam to dry and cure before we pour our self-leveler. Let's quickly show you what this looks like up close, and then we'll run the video of installation. And this is what it looks like here. When you pour your self-leveler, it will enter these crevices here. Once it cures and dries, you then plunge cut it to be flat and level with your substrate. And of course, with your strips, easy to break off for quick installation. Now, without going into any deep explanation with this product, let's quickly show you with this video here. New product alert. This is called Edgeband. This is for your self-leveler. Let's show you what they offer. So it's very simple. You can cut to size. This is for your floor vents. We're not going to be using this today. This is for your toilet flange. We will be gluing this down with caulking here. And this here is for the perimeter. And we will install this around the perimeter of this bathroom prior to pouring our self-leveler, because we have a number of high spots in this bathroom ranging from 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. Let's quickly show you that. Here we go. There's our gap. It's about 1/4 of an inch there. And here's a second high spot. Again, about 1/4 of an inch there. And there's a few more as well. So we want this tile installation to be quick and easy with a nice flat substrate. So self-leveler along with Edgeband will help get the job done quick and easy. Okay guys, the self-leveler is dry and set. Let's show you how to remove the edge band. Okay, the self-leveler is all dry and set up. It is the next day. Let's quickly show you the nice clean substrate and also quickly show you how to remove the edge band around the perimeter as well as around the toilet flange. So here is the bathroom floor. flat, smooth, level, ready for tile installation. Quick and easy to remove this. A simple multi-tool like this, and we will cut it out. Here we go. Well, there you go, guys. Easy installation. We were able to pour our self-leveler immediately. As usual, links will be in the description below with specs and pricing on this. This is a great product. You should definitely check it out. If you want to see future videos, tap the subscribe button below if you want to help my channel. The best way to do that is to tap the like button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.